Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay, and in the last video we saw how we can print the hello world or anything in the Python. We are covering the Python course and this is the chapter second. In this video we will see how we can take inputs from the users like user age, name and address. So let's see how we can write the program in a Python. So this is again the by default IDLE platform which I am using to run the Python program. Okay, so here I can like take the input. So basically let's write first statement which is print. It is more like a enter your name. Okay, that's what we are going to print first. Then when we are showing enter your name, that time what we do, we will take the input from the user. Okay, sir. So what when I'm telling like we can take the input from the user, it means we are not deciding the value at the runtime. We will decide the value, like user will decide the value. Okay. So this is the input by which like we can take the input in a Python. So let it assign to some variable. Okay, I am assigning it to the name. In the next video we will see what is variable and data types. Okay, but in this video we are only focusing on the input part. Okay, so like that way like you can arrange your code. After this, let's ask the user about the age. Enter your age. Then again to take the age, like we need to store it somewhere, so we created the age is equals to input. So input will take that value and assign it to age. Then let's ask enter your address. Let me just make it capital so that it will look good. Then address is equals to input. In the similar way, like whatever we are taking from the user, whatever we are like taking from the input, like we need to assign it to something. Okay, so like that way like we take the input and let's see whatever the input we are taking we can print that as well. Okay, so it's more like a user information. We can show the user information like that way. Then in the print piece capital, small. Then print. Let's print all the information. Okay, name, age, address. Let's save the program and let's run the program. Okay, so if you are seeing this, if you are seeing my screen, are you seeing the pattern? First, like it is showing enter your name, then it is holding the console. Okay, like input will hold the console to provide some value. So here in this console, I can provide some value. Okay, so suppose it is asking for a name. So let me write my name. Okay, and then if I click on the enter, then it is asking for the age. Then let me put the age 19. Then I am again doing enter. Okay, then in case of address, like I just double click it. Let's retry again. Okay, run module. Let me explain you again. It is asking for the name. Let me put something. Then age, it may be 20. Then it is asking for address. So let me put India. Then after all these lines executed, okay, I provided the input like all the details. After this, if I enter, okay, it is showing user information and it is showing the values. Whatever I put here, it is showing those values. Okay, so like that way at the runtime, like we can provide the inputs. Okay, so it will help you, like when we are you are going to create some new projects. Okay, at that time, like if you want that something external values, okay, maybe if you are making the game, so in game, like if you want to put ask the user like what will be the value of this. Okay, like maybe in the question and answering, like you are asking some question and you are expecting some answer from the user. Okay, so at that time, like you can use the input. So that's the use of input. Okay, I hope like you get my point. Later, like when we are going to create some more projects, okay, some more programs, like you will get the idea of input, like why we are using it. Okay, but for now, what you can understand only, input is a something by which like we can take the values at the runtime. Okay, like whenever we are running now, only at that time like we can decide the value. Okay, not in the code, not in the code, like whenever we are running the project, like at that time like we are deciding the value. So that's all about the input. In the next video we will see what is variable and a data type. Okay, and if you like this video, then please comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can comment on this video, and or like you can ping me on my Instagram. Thank you.